So, hello everyone. I am Tulika Ganguly and I am a counselor in Advice International for UK. First of all, I would like to start the session by wishing all of you a very, very happy new year, and may this year bring you a lot of success and joy, and may you stay healthy and happy. In today's session, we are basically going to talk about the United Kingdom as an international study destination. What makes it different than any other study destinations? What are the new informations and changes that are recently brought in? As we all know that United Kingdom is one of the best places to attain your degree from and one of the most prominent study abroad destinations across the globe. UK universities offer a wide range of research and taught courses which students can choose from. The most popular courses in UK universities are Business Management, Master of Business Administration, then there is Data Science, there is Artificial Intelligence, Robotics, Business Analytics, Mechanical Engineering, Law, Architecture, Journalism, and many, many more. So when you're selecting a course for applications, always bear in mind what your aspirations are and what you're basically passionate about. Look at each course modules and the university profiles and make a correct and apt choice. Students who are basically looking to pursue bachelor's degree in UK are required to submit their application through UCAS, from where the major universities accept applications. Students are required to finalize 5 universities of their choice for a course or different courses. Normally, the first deadline for application is 15th October and then the final deadline would be 30th of June. However, due to the ongoing lockdown in UK and the pandemic, the second deadline has been extended from 15th of January to 29th of January 2021. So those who still wish to make an application through UCAS, please hurry up and get in touch with an advice counselor to help you out with the process. When it comes to the master courses, applications basically need to be made directly through online university portals. For applications, students need to arrange letter of recommendations, their mark sheets, then they need to write a statement of purpose, they need to arrange for their passport copies and a CV. Students must undertake thorough research on the tuition fee component and draw comparisons when selecting between multiple universities. Moreover, many universities in UK also offer scholarship facilities to students, which also need to be taken into consideration. The academic requirements basically differ according to the university, and students are also required to appear for English language proficiency tests like IELTS, TOEFL or PTE. Now let's talk about why one should select UK as a suitable study abroad destination. UK is known for its educational culture and students can choose a variety of university of their choice from a wide range of top level universities in the world. When compared to other study abroad destinations, courses in UK have a shorter duration. The United Kingdom hosts a cosmopolitan society and is home to a range of ethnic groups and nationalities from across the globe. Thus, students receive the opportunity to interact and in turn learn from a diverse range of individuals. With the easy and affordable connectivity to European countries, students have access to immense amount of opportunities. In terms of cost, UK is comparatively economical due to its shorter duration, and also many universities offer scholarships and bursaries. Universities in UK imbibe relevant skills that are marketable, and UK graduates are highly sought after by employers across the globe. It is because of this reason that UK continues to be a prominent education destination. A wide range of universities basically encourage students to nurture their skills and have a strong professional attachment, a professional link into the job market. UK continues to be one of the most preferred destinations for international students. In an attempt to ensure the process is as seamless as possible for its students, the new visa route was brought in. The immigration route for students was altered by the British government on 5th of October 2020, and the Tier 4 route is now being called the student route. The coronavirus pandemic has brought along with it its own set of problems. However, to streamline the issues faced by the students while making visa applications, a new points-based immigration system has been introduced where students need to obtain a total of 70 points. On completion of their degree, students can stay in the UK for 2 more years and look for a suitable job for themselves. The 2 years of stay back is called the graduate immigration route. Students who are going for basically PhD can stay back for 3 years. The graduate immigration route is set to be launched in the summer of 2021. Now, taking into account the new wave of students that will be brought into the country post-Brexit, the new framework was brought into the picture to ensure that all students who decide to pursue their education in UK are treated absolutely equally. Lastly, during their stay back in UK, students can work at any skill level and switch to the work route if they desire to do so. I would like to request interested students to meet an advice counselor at the earliest for apt guidance in terms of applications, chasing offer letters, and finally the visas. For any query, please log into our websites and leave your contact details, and one of our counselors will get in touch with you at the earliest. You can also leave your queries in the comment section below or in inbox, and we will get in touch with you. Thanks to all of you for being today in this session with me, and have a great weekend ahead. Thank you.